how to create a sustainable and eco-friendly products website for free with squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free with this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and here we can browse through a variety of templates where you can find pre-made templates that will help you create your own website or your own online store. And they also have the blank template if you want to create a template or a website from scratch. But for me, I'd rather work on the pre-made templates because they made the work very easy. You just change some headlines and your logo, and then you will have your website ready for using. So here we can filter by types and topics. So let's go with an online store because we're in the sustainable and eco-friendly products. And here we can filter by topics like the art and design, health and beauty, food, entertainment, events, fitness, nature and animals. So let's just scroll down and let's see what are the templates that we have. This is the blank template that I told you about if you want to build your website from scratch. So just keep scrolling until you find the template that suits you. So we can choose this one for soup. We can empty those products and add our products and change some headlines. So I think I'm going to use that one. That is for soap. So I'm going to choose the soap template. So this one I'm going to choose it. It's Altaloma. Its name is Altaloma. So click on preview to see the template. So just click on view demo site to check the template in full width. So this is how the template looks. So I like this animation. As you can see, it shows up when you scroll like this. So I like that. So I'm going to choose this one and click on start with this design, and they will set things up for us. So just wait a little bit and then they will request you to give a title for your website. So I'm going to give it a title. So you can just give it the title of your niche, which is in my case sustainable and eco-friendly products. So just type in your title. So this is my title. So just wait a little bit for it. So this is my title, and then click continue and click on close to close these tabs. We don't need them anymore. And here in your left you have a lot of sections. So I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you. So let's start with website, where you can add pages or you can change the pages that you already have. As you can see, you can add one from here, or you can delete the existing ones, or you can adjust them in this button. Let's move on to the next section, which is the commerce section, where you can add products or manage your orders, inventory, customers. You can change the payments and you can choose the ways that you want to get paid with. You can find other ways to sell, like memberships or custom merch. So let's leave that and let's go to the marketing section, which is pretty obvious for everything that is related to growing your audience. So from email campaigns to profiles to SEO appearance and to your pixels and ads and everything that is related to growing your audience or getting more sales. And then we have the asset library. You don't have to worry about the scheduling. We're in the online store, so we don't need that. So the asset library is where you can save your files like images or your logo to use when you're designing your website. And here we have the analytics where you can see your charts, after selling, you can see your new orders and your conversion rate. And then you have your settings where you can adjust the domains and change the site's availability from private to public. You can also change the site languages and the store payments if you want to set your payment processors like your PayPal account, your Stripe account, and your Square account if you are from the United States. Also, you can change the store's currency right in here. So let's go back and let's proceed to the next step, which is the editing phase. So just click on edit and you will see the website expands to give you more space for editing and focusing on edits. So here you can change the site's header just by clicking on this button. You can give it a new header and upload your logo. So by clicking on it, you will see upload a logo if you want to upload your logo, or change the elements or style, or if you want it to be in the fixed position. And here you can see it in the desktop view and in the mobile view. So let's go back to the full width view and let's see how we can change these sections. So just click in the middle and here you have these new buttons, the add section and the add block. So if you want to add new sections, you just click on this one, and the same thing for blocks. And here you have edit section. If you want to change what's inside the section from the pictures in the background, you can change the images in the background. You can also change the colors and the format also. So it's pretty much easy with this platform to design your required website. So in your top right you will find the desktop view again and the mobile view and the styles if you want to change the fonts or your colors. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.